Good afternoon, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's trading floor. It's October 5th. We had mostly a quiet day today as far as grains. So we did have some Informa numbers out today as far as corn and beans. We'll go through that in a minute. But corn ending up dropping back about 9.5 cents. We had the beans up about a penny to unchanged, and wheat down about 12. So corn and wheat pulling back here with beans staying a little bit steady. Now, this morning we did start off, we were a little stronger for beans. Things looked good early on, but I think it was with the lighter volume that we'd seen today, guys buying it early, maybe taking profit late in the session. We did have Informa come out with their estimates for next Thursday's report, looking at corn at about a 127 and beans at a 37.8 as far as yield. 127 for corn, I think, was a little bit more of a surprise. It's quite a jump here from where we've got USDA here at this point, and that, I think, gave a little extra pressure to the market here today, pushing things down. Now, we will be talking about these estimates as we get closer to the report next Thursday. We're going to continue having these chats, and probably going to see these markets chop around quite a bit as we get into that, as we get into the report. Some of the outside markets today, much like the grains, rather quiet. The dollar up about a point, right, about unchanged, so not a big range at all. Crude oil down $1.89. Now, something with crude and the energy market as a whole, we've seen this very, big back-and-forth trade, down $3.50 in crude, up $3.50, now down $1.90. This trade is probably going to continue to be extremely choppy over the next month going into this election. I think this is more political than anything else. Are we going to continue to see energies rallying going into an election? Most likely not. I think this is more political than that. I think we've got some, we may end up having some more downside as we get closer to that. But right now, this very choppy back and forth trade, guys are just getting chopped around in this market. And overall, watch some of these support areas. We're going to close down below 90 this week. Looks like we could end up taking back down to maybe that $80 level again as these support levels get taken out. So continue watching the energies right now, but very big swings in the energy markets this week. As far as livestock, fat cattle unchanged today for October. Box beef, though, more on a negative side. Choice down $1.11. Select down $1.27. So we did have lower box beef here today. This week kind of sluggish as far as that wholesale. But cash cattle trading $1 higher this week. So last week trading 123. We saw a $3 drop last week. Now we've got $1 higher. So traded at 124 in both Kansas and Texas this week. Stronger trade. Maybe we can continue to see this strength. We need to see 2 consecutive weeks here of some higher cash trade to really get the feeling back here on the long side of the market. As far as hogs, down 10 cents today for October, pretty quiet, 81.70. But December up about 70 cents. I think that's more spreading today. Guys that have been spreading the October with some of these back months, just pushing things around. Not a lot of trade, but we are looking for these Decembers and maybe even into February. We're looking at seasonal sell-off right ahead of us. So rallies right now, we're looking at selling opportunities as far as hogs. And cash cattle, a little sluggish here late this week. Cash hogs, a little sluggish that we may end up starting to see that peak out and maybe work sideways to lower from this point on. So we're looking at trying to find these rallies in these Decembers and Febs as selling opportunities here on rallies. Give us a call if you guys have questions. I hope you guys have a great weekend out there. But you could reach us at 800-262-7538 or check us out on the web at allendale-inc.com. I hope you guys had a great day today. Good luck this weekend.